Hey guys, so I am here in the salon and I wanted to get in here and do a video for you guys because you're going to be getting color kits at home and you're going to want to know how to color them. So today I prepped myself and I'm doing a color balance kit, which is going to include a shadow for my roots, as you can see, and a toner for my blonde. I went ahead and I highlighted my hair today, and I'm not offering that. I do believe that highlights are an in-salon service, so if you have highlights, it's okay. You can still get a color balance kit that's going to kind of freshen up your blonde and help with any root grow-in that you might have. So let's get started. So I'm going to explain just what you're going to exactly be getting, and I'm working with a few companies right now so that we can get products to you quicker and sterilized. So what you see today will not be the final product. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna do my cup A first, and you'll get 2 cups and they'll both be labeled A, and what you're going to do is you're just gonna mix them together. And you'll also get a brush as well. So go ahead and use that brush and put it in here. And then pour that in there. You don't have to worry about measuring anything because it's already pre-measured. And remember that this is color that's for you. So make sure during your confirmation call that you are talking about your color and what you're wanting out of it. Okay. You guys, it's super simple. So I just mix this together. You can see the consistency. Every color line is going to be a little bit different. So as you get your hair provider, this will all be contingent on them. All right, that easy. Both A cups inside there. And I'm going to go ahead and look in the mirror because I want you to set up in the mirror just like I am. And I have on some clothes that I don't care about because it can get messy. I've already dropped color on my pants earlier. And I have my wet brush here, or any brush. And go ahead and make sure you really brush your hair all the way through before you get started. Apply your gloves, okay? So anything that's porous, your skin and the surface you're working on, it will stain. So I also have a couple towels here, put those there, and I'm just going to spread one out here in front of my workstation with my brush. And then I have this extra towel for me if I need it during the process. What you'll also get inside the kits is a stain protectant, and that will come in a different cup that's labeled. And if you are doing your root color, you can just put it right here along your hairline to protect your skin from getting stained. All right, guys, so I got my gloves on and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna talk to you through the mirror. Okay, first things first, and you wanna grab product onto your brush like this, okay? The cleaner you are, the cleaner the better. You can see I'm just using the tip of that brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make a party. And don't be afraid, this is really simple, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just start applying. So you can see I have a straight parting and I'm just going down. You're gonna wanna put this on any part of your head that is new growth. So if you have grays and you're touching up your gray hairs, then you want to make sure that you're pulling the product down to where it was last colored. And I'll show you a step that you can do with the brush that will help. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like in the mirror, guys. I'm going to go ahead and come up personal to the camera just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. But I'm literally just tapping at my root. That color. Right now these highlights look super streaky. So this first color I'm putting on, which is a color balance, it is going to make that look way more softer, and the color I'm putting on my root area is going to be a different color than what I pull through my ends. And I just did this so it can be super visual so that you guys see. Everyone's cases are going to be different. So I'm going to keep going. I'm using the tip of the brush to make my sections clean. Okay, I'm gonna jump back, show you guys one last more, and then I'm gonna jump back to the mirror. It is important that you do this in a timely manner. So lock yourself in the bathroom, kick out your husband. This is definitely you time. I wanted to do this in the salon because I wanted you guys to feel like you had a video of this, me doing it in the salon, so that I can bring the salon experience to you. So if you're watching this video and you haven't started yet, good job, because I would recommend watching this before you start. Okay. Now once you get one side done, go ahead and go back to where that middle section was and just flip that over. And I'm going to repart, so I'm working in quadrants. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's kind of how you want to work as well. And once you get to the back, if it's not perfect, it's okay, no one's going to see it. If you're getting color on your gloves and your hands and then you're not able to use your other hand to pick up the hair, go ahead and just wipe it on your towel, or that extra towel that you have there, you can go ahead and wipe it on there. You want to grab sections when you're parting through that are like 1/4 of an inch. Look how thin this section is, because the color gets through, and I flip that over and I go back over it. See how easy this is?